Boston Gardens, June the 6th, realize the fact that this is not going to be a typical World Wrestling Federation Championship match. You, Ric Flair, you have made it a whole different type of a situation, yeah. Even worse than it was before WrestleMania, yeah. Because even though you don't understand, it doesn't matter, because ignorance is no way that I am going to let you slide, because I'm going to gun you down. Gunfight at OK Corral, the Boston Gardens, June the 6th, where the Boston Celtics and the Boston Bruins, and alike with the pride that they have in their hearts, all rolled into one. Because Elizabeth is what makes me tick. You want the World Wrestling Federation Championship belt. I want Mr. Perfect, Bobby the Brain Heenan, and yourself to be out of the WWF, to be out of life. Are those strong words? Will you just test me June the 6th at the Boston Garden? Oh, yeah!